Right now we testing. We feed one paper， 送你1、2张纸，1张2张纸，慢一点啊。We feed paper and come here. And after selling, and come here, and fold. Here's a learning support, and then transfer. Here's and the glue, here's and the glue, and hit. 你可以点动吗？点动送一张纸，慢慢来。可以点动是吧？点动送一张纸，慢慢来。We are joking. Here is a sensor. Here is a sensor. Here is a sensor for the absolute. You see the sensor detect paper and absolute work. And here is a sensor. Here is a sensor detects the cone body. And we transfer to the release to the foot board. And for the fold. And heated. Preheated. And here is a learning at the fold. And then come to here. The blower to here. Transfer to the cups, the sleeves. And here spray the glue. Here spray the glue. Here a sensor detects the paper. And then this motor working. This motor rotates. And here spray the glue. Sure, the glue is come from here. The glue is come from here, from the pipe to the tank. And then it's come to here. This one here for the cups. Put the cups here. The cups insert and here suck the cup down. Okay, that's all. And then come here. Here stick the sleeve. The sleeve and the cup together. Okay, thanks. Here for discharge. If you use manual, it's this one. If you use the collector, it's this one. Okay, the machine is working like this. It's very simple. The machine work is simple. The machine is working is simple. Turn on the power, and this one is low use, and this one is the heating temperature. And here is the freezer cups. Freeze the paper. Here's the freeze the paper. Here's the freeze the paper. Okay, here is it. And you should collect the collector and the feeder, and it's another system. It's simple.